Good morning, this is a video analysis of Kik on the ASX. Looking on a daily chart, we see that we've come off a low here back in March and we've held one fairly solid trend line. I could have brought one up into here, but I felt this was more the line, and we're currently sitting right on the line again. This might be a nice point to rally from and try and create that second wave. Otherwise, we'll move across into a weekly chart to try and get a better gauge of targets and whether there's an overhead resistance in there. Otherwise, it's been nicely bull trending, and we're just looking to see if that's going to continue. We see the price has actually come up, reached the top of the cloud. This red line is back down here. It's entered the cloud, but I'd like to see it up in this range here. So I would say this stock has more consolidation going on. It's going to come down and use this as support, and I would like to see this blue line come in here. The lag line gives us a range where we can just over 20 cents, probably 21 maybe, as a capping point, which is the peak of this wick, and otherwise it's got a bit of downside in here, and as I say, it might be coming back to test some of this support. I wouldn't say that's a strong go share at this point based on the weekly chart. We're going to quickly go across to ADX. We see that we have one nice trend line coming through, and then we've created the second line of trend lines, and we're rallying back up through. We haven't quite come down and tested support at this blue line at 13 cents, or a bit under 12.5, and it's pointing upwards now, and price is coming back up through here. I'd like to see a rally back up into here, and it might be a goer. Again, we come across into the weekly, and we see that price is indeed in the cloud. It hasn't gone all the way to the top of the cloud. I would more put a peak in here of around the 18 cents mark, so it does have a little bit more that it's able to rally into, and this brown line also confirms it. So I'd be looking at a peak of around 18.5 cents currently. You've got support sitting at 11.8, and the next line of support at 9 cents. Whilst price is inside a cloud, the whole cloud is an area of support and resistance, does have the potential of 6 cents. That's the bonus of trying to get outside a cloud, so that the ultimate support becomes that 12-cent level. This has crossed over. That's a good signal for continued bull trending.